If you want your title slides to look polished, modern, and more visually interesting, then learning how to style them with shapes in PowerPoint is a great skill to have. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step method to add shapes, format them, arrange the layers properly, and then finish everything with a clean title and subtitle layout. This is perfect for presentations, school projects, business decks, and any slide where you want to make a strong first impression. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy PowerPoint tips. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and go to the slide where you want to create your title design. From the top menu, click Insert, then choose Shapes. You'll see a variety of shape options here, including rectangles, circles, triangles, and many more. For a title slide, simple shapes usually work best because they help support the text without making the slide feel too crowded. Select the shape you want, then click and drag on the slide to draw it. You can make it large for a background element, smaller for an accent, or use multiple shapes together for a more creative layout. Once your shapes are on the slide, the next step is formatting them so they match the style you want. Right-click on the shape and choose Format Shape. This opens the formatting panel where you can make several visual adjustments. Start by changing the color so it fits your theme or branding. You can use bold, solid colors for a strong modern look, or softer tones if you want a cleaner and more minimal design. You can also apply a gradient if you want the shape to fade from one color to another, which can make the title slide feel more professional and dynamic. Another important setting is transparency. A transparent shape is often the best choice for title slides because it gives you color and structure without overpowering the text. Try lowering the transparency to around 20 to 40% so the shape stays visible but still lets the slide breathe. After that, you need to arrange the layers correctly. This step is important because your shapes should support the title, not cover it. Use bring to front or send to back, depending on where your shape needs to sit. In most cases, title slide shapes look best behind the text, so the shape acts like a background accent instead of blocking the words. If your shape is hiding part of the title, just right-click it and send it backward until the text becomes clear and readable. You can also stack multiple shapes at different positions to create depth and balance. For example, one large transparent rectangle in the background and one smaller circle or triangle off to the side can instantly make a slide look much more designed. Now that your shapes are placed and formatted, it's time to add the title text. Go back to Insert and choose Text Box. Click on the slide where you want the title to appear and type in your main title. Make it big, bold, and easy to read. This is the first thing people should notice when they open the slide. Under the title, add a subtitle if needed. The subtitle should be smaller and more supportive, giving extra context without competing with the main heading. You can place the title and subtitle inside the open space created by your shapes, or align them neatly over the design so everything feels intentional and balanced. To make the slide look even better, adjust the text color so it contrasts well with your shapes and background. White text often works beautifully on darker shapes, while darker text works better on lighter backgrounds. You can also play with font weight and spacing to help your title stand out. Once everything is into place, take a step back and look at the slide as a whole. Check whether the shapes guide the viewer's eye toward the title, whether the transparency feels right, and whether the layers are clean and readable. Small adjustments here can make a big difference in the final result. And that's it. You now know how to style title slides with shapes in PowerPoint in a simple and effective way. With just a few shapes, a bit of formatting, and smart layers placement, you can turn a plain slide into something much more professional. If this tutorial helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more PowerPoint design tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.